So this is the video for this problem. So a right triangle it has a perimeter of 32 and the area is 20 and you want to find the hypotenuse of it. So the hypotenuse is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. And this is a right triangle, which means that the area is AB over 2 and that's given to be 20. And the hypotenuse is A plus B plus C, that's given to be 32. Alright, so when we're trying to find the hypotenuse, we're probably going to be finding the a squared plus b squared. And to get that, we'll subtract c to here. So we'll have a plus b, and then squared equals 32 minus c, and then squared. And what this gives is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab is equal to 32 squared minus 64c, and then plus c squared. And from here, alright, so from here, we have c squared equals a squared plus b squared by Pythagorean theorem, and basically we can substitute c squared into here, and so we'll have c squared plus 2ab is equal to 32 squared minus 64c plus c squared. If we cancel these two out, we have 2ab is equal to 32 squared. 32 squared and then minus 64c, and we have AB is equal to 20, and so 2AB is equal to 80, and if we plug that back in here, we have 80 equals 32 squared minus 64c, and isolating the c, we have c equals 32 squared minus 80 over 64, and that is 32 squared is 1024, and then minus 80 is 944, and then over 64 is it's divisible by 16, so that's 59 over 4, and that's what c is, which is the hypotenuse, so c is 59 over 4.